Hey everyone, my name is Naomi and I'm the creator of Subject Lines for Email. This tool came out of a need for wanting to save subject lines of emails that landed my inbox really easily into a database and categorize them by type, promotional or transactional, the most underrated email type in my opinion. They definitely deserve some TLC too. Assign a lifecycle stage and easily see the character count. This extension only works in Notion because Notion is my go-to organization and planning tool, and I'll show you how to get this set up. So the first thing after you download the Google Chrome extension that you're going to do is actually generate and give the Google Chrome extension an API key. What this essentially will do is give permissions to subject lines for email to save subject lines that you highlight directly into one of your Notion pages. Without it, the Google Chrome extension cannot save subject lines successfully. On my Notion's integrations page, what I want to do is create a new integration. Because I've already created one, I'll show you the settings. Here you can see that I've named the integration Subject Lines for Email, and I'm given my API key here, which is essentially what I will be copying and pasting into the Google Chrome extension. And then here are the permissions. The permissions of the Google Chrome extension will be able to read content, update content, and insert content. And this is the only user capability that I'm allowing it. All right, so the next step after you have integrated your API key into the Google Chrome extension, you'll see the next prompt of saving the Notion database to your workspace. This is essentially a template that will allow for the subject lines that you highlight and save to be pre-populated into a database that I've already created for you. So you'll click this, open in Notion, and what you'll need to do is duplicate this specific template into your own workspace. It's really important that the name of the file continues to be subjectlines.email for the extension to work. Once you've duplicated this page into your template, you'll need to connect the template to the integration that you've set up. When your integration has been successfully connected to the database that you'd love to save your subject lines into, the next time you prompt the Google Chrome extension, you'll see this screen here. This will allow you to highlight a subject line, prompt the Google Chrome extension, and categorize your email type, transactional or promotional, as I mentioned before, and the lifecycle stage. When you hit Save to Notion, it will save directly to the database that you've just connected. Okay, let's take this for a spin. So I'm in Notion Mail, and this would work the exact same for Gmail and other email clients, and I want to save this subject line from Fresh Prep into my inbox. I'm an existing Fresh Prep meal subscriber, so I get my weekly meal boxes from them, but they essentially are trying to activate me and get me to try the tacos from them for my meal plan next week. And I want to save this subject line for future inspiration for my own campaigns. So this is a promotional email. Because they're not necessarily trying to acquire me as a customer, I'm already an existing customer. They just want to activate me and get me to try this specific meal. I've labeled it as activation as part of the lifecycle stage, and I'm going to save it. Let's go check it out. There we go. So it's now saved in my Notion database. It's a promotional email focused on activation, and the character count is 20 characters, so it's a great length. And as you can see, my at-a-glance view has also populated, giving me kind of a bird's eye view of what types of subject lines I've saved. All right, there you have it.